whether you're a B2B service, SaaS, or product business, these video methods that I'll be sharing in this video will help you attract, gain, and retain customers using YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm Carrie, founder of GROUPHUGS, a YouTube growth agency where we help B2B brands in various industries grow on YouTube. So let's get into these video ideas and the real life examples from our selected clients. Just imagine if all of your prospects and leads came to you pre-seasoned with all of their major questions answered and maybe even fully convinced already. Creating videos that answer common questions about your business, product, or service can help you convert the customers that are closest to the sale. A huge benefit of these videos is that you can convert clients faster by answering their questions before they even ask. Another benefit is that you can address and debunk objections before they even think about them. And the last benefit is that you can attract views from your ideal clients who are researching your products. For your business, pause for a sec and think about the questions that you get most in your interactions with your potential customers. What questions do they ask? What concerns do they have? What are common misconceptions? You need to create videos that answer these questions because people on Google and YouTube are already searching for them. And like all YouTube content, these videos are the gifts that keep on giving. You can use them in your sales process and as content in your outreach and in your general marketing, and you can even embed them on your website in your FAQ section or in your automated chat support flows. An example of this can be seen with our SaaS client, Uplead. Uplead offers the most accurate and up-to-date B2B lead database on the market, and they are frequently asked how often they refresh their data. So we made a video on it. Our client Pivot Energy is a turnkey commercial and community solar provider, and some of the most common questions that their customers ask are about commercial solar financing options and tax incentives. And that's why we created over a dozen videos on their different solar financing options and tax benefits. And not only do these videos help potential customers, but they also help their existing customers understand their options as they move forward in their solar journey. So if any ideas are already popping up in your head, make sure to jot them down so that when you plan your videos, you'll have them ready. I highly recommend that you also watch our video, How to Create YouTube Videos for Businesses, for best practices in making good videos after watching this one. I remember in 4th grade when I learned how to write an essay, and my teacher always said, show, don't tell. Well, now we're taking it one step further to show, don't sell. Making demos, tutorials, and highlight videos that authentically showcase the benefits and value of what you offer can give your potential customers a taste of what's to come.
This is especially helpful if you have hardware or need SaaS demos, or if you're like our tech client Docker, whose users are software engineers and watch tutorials to onboard.
And the great thing about this method is that you're also immediately showing your viewers the abundance of resources that you have to support your customers once they sign up. Which brings me to the moment that they do become customers, your video demos and tutorials can jumpstart their onboarding and utility of what you offer. And the more they know about your products and know how to use them, the longer they'll stick around. Also, product or feature highlight videos can help customers if you offer multiple products or services. Let's say you offer a B2B service like Pivot Energy and you don't have the ability to demo in a way that a SaaS platform could. So to combat this with our client, we created a tutorial of what to expect with commercial solar, where we took viewers through the timeline and what was expected for a solar project. But if you're looking for more action, you can take your customers off-site in a video like this one and show the different types of solar mounts and benefits. Okay, these next type of videos are used for educating in and around your niche and industry. They're my personal favorite type of videos because they reach potential customers for top-of-funnel awareness. Educational videos around your product niche function the same way that blogs do to drive inbound traffic to your website. Customers may not know that you exist yet, but can discover your product as they're learning from your video. The video that you're watching right now is an educational video because I'm sharing very real video ideas that we use with our clients at GROUPHUGS. And now you know that GROUPHUGS can also help your B2B business grow on YouTube. And you also now know that you can book a discovery call with us, linked in the description. Continuing on with our examples. For our client Spark Loyalty,
We wanted to target physical retail and restaurant businesses, so we made videos on POS systems like this one, which has gotten them tons of leads.
For Pivot, we covered topics all over and around commercial solar, financing, tax incentives, solar panel types, community solar, and solar policy. And now, no matter what their potential customers are searching, Pivot Energy shows up for them and captures traffic on YouTube, Google, and other search engines. And if you already have great video ideas, hang on tight because we still have one more to go. So the last type of B2B videos we're covering today are versus videos. You can use versus videos to compare your business with your competitors and to compare options within your own offerings. Oftentimes, people who watch versus videos are researching options and are considering a purchase, making them the ideal target. For example, for Pivot Energy, we created videos comparing different types of financing options. What video ideas did you come up with today? If you comment below with one video idea for your B2B business, I will respond with 3 more. And here's one last reminder that your potential customers are on YouTube and Google all day long, and your video needs to show up when they search. If you need help with strategy, scripting, editing, and SEO, first, subscribe to our channel because it's gonna be a wealth of YouTube knowledge for brands and businesses. Or if you're looking to outsource, partner with GROUPHUGS. Learn more at grouphugs.co or book a discovery call with me via the link in the description. That's all for today, and see y'all next time.